Hi everybody. So in this video, it's going to be pretty quick because the last video was really long. This is just the practice for price and quantity controls. So you're given a graph here with price and quantity, and then it's kind of laid out for you nicely here. And then there's just three questions. The graph shows the market for widgets. The government considers intervening. If the government puts a price floor at $16, is there a shortage, a surplus, or neither? And explain. So remember that a price floor is a minimum. It's the price below which they can't go. So at $16, right, that would be 12, 14, 16. We can kind of observe here, and we can draw on it if we want to. We'll just draw straight across. If we said that's a price floor, this is a little counterintuitive because the price is $20, right, in the market, and we're saying the government says you can't go below 16. Well, we're not below 16. We're at 20, so there is neither. Oh, I'm getting a phone call. Whew, I tell you, sorry about that. These teachers keep calling me in the middle of me trying to teach you. It's just awful. So we said that it's neither, and that's because, again, the price is $20, and we're saying you can't go below 16. Well, it doesn't really matter. And so our explanation can be that the market price equals 20, right? And that's greater than the price floor at 16. That's all you have to write, right? And abbreviations, I appreciate abbreviations. The AP graders do. Everybody in econ likes that. If instead the government imposes a price ceiling at 12, is there a shortage, surplus? All right, so now we're going to draw this one. 12, say price ceiling. Now, this one is saying the price can't go above 12. Well, the market wants it to be at 20. So this one is effective. That's the word we're using. So like this one is ineffective, and this one is effective. And we can pretty easily tell that we've got a problem because here the demanded is QD is 24, and QS, they're only willing to supply 12. And so that's what we call a shortage. And that's because quantity demanded is equal to, what did we say that was? 24, and that's greater than the quantity supplied, which is equal to 12. So again, we're just comparing these quantities. If instead the government restricts output to 10, calculate total quota rent, show your work. So 10 output would be a vertical line all the way up here, whoops, right? And so it intersects here at 40, and boy, I got a lot of lines, and it intersects here at 10. So we're looking at where does it intersect with supply and demand. And so it intersects at 10 and 40. So the difference between those is 30, right? That's the height, and it's the total quota rent. So we're looking for the entire box. And so the box goes like this. I'll just kind of hash mark this in for you so you can kind of see. It looks like that. And the box is to 10 units, so it's the base is 10, so that's 300. 30 times 10, so 300, and it's actually in dollars because it's the value of all of those sales, and that's because it's 30 times 10, and so we just show our work that way. Hopefully that helps. See you next time.